If you are one of millions of Americans missing all of their teeth in one or both of their jaws, full arch restoration is an excellent treatment option for you to consider. This procedure restores a complete arch of your teeth and is the best, most cost-effective, long-term treatment option for restoring your smile.
Full arch restoration is a highly desirable procedure because it produces natural-looking results. During this treatment, multiple dental implants are used to support a full arch of beautiful new teeth.
The dental implants provide a sturdy foundation for your new set of teeth. They stimulate the jawbone and help to prevent jawbone loss that would result from missing teeth.
We coordinate with a top dental lab to have the temporary prosthesis fabricated and fitted during the surgery. This solid foundation allows you to eat normal, solid foods and to speak and smile with confidence.
Our highest priority is to provide you with a smile that looks so natural no one can tell you've undergone full arch dental implant restoration. Visit us at 7x7 Dental Implant and Oral Surgery Specialists at our following locations: Westborough, West Portal, Stonestown, and Van Ness.